Welcome back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today we are going to go over what somebody won who commented on my Kill a Kit video. There was a hidden giveaway in the description of the video. So there were 4 participants, and one of them won a DIY embellishment kit similar to what I made for the Kill a Kit video. So, looks like I need to maybe switch to black. This is what they won. So what I did is I die cut a whole bunch of white cardstock, and then I used my alcohol markers to color it. So they get all of this free Harry Potter / Halloween / whatever you want it to be ephemera. Thought this was a cute way to thank someone for watching. So I had Alexa pick a number between 1 and 4, and she chose Ginger's Corner. So thank you, Ginger, for commenting on my video. You won all of this glorious ephemera. Isn't this cute? Like, look at this bag. So I purposely did a couple that have multicolor, and so I colored this bag in all the Harry Potter houses. Look at how great this book ephemera piece turned out. I think this is so cute. And then you got a blue house. I tried to make it kind of even, distributing the colors between all the houses, and I just got confused. So you get what you get. Congratulations, Ginger. In the upcoming months, you can look forward to some spring layouts. I am joining a hop on May 9th as well, so look forward to that. And then I am going to be doing a couple other things to celebrate people's milestones and those kinds of videos. Thinking about throwing in some organizing stuff, so just stay tuned. Again, I am trying to get to my goal of 750 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you would, please subscribe to my channel, and you might win a cute little ephemera pack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.